Hey, so we are on day 12 and my foam for the mattress turned up yesterday, and it's about it's 12 o'clock now because I haven't had a chance to start anything on the van because I've been doing oil and filter changes for everybody bloody else. And also I went to pick up an exhaust from Euro Car Parts. They had the whole thing in stock, but all I ended up with was the rear section, as the front section that they gave me had a massive bend in it where that bolt's on. It was completely crushed, so it was no way salvageable, so they've ordered me another one, but isn't going to be here till this afternoon. So foam will go up here, if it stays there, which it probably won't. I think something along the lines of that. We'll have to find some way of securing it, and also we are going to have to get some nice little covers made for it. This bit will slide underneath here, and we call that a bed. But because at the moment it just flops everywhere, which is bloody annoying. So yeah. So mattress done, mattress covers to be made, shelf done, need to replace bracket on shelf. Other than that, that's pretty much all I can do.